welcome back to this channel. Today I'll be showing you actually how I managed to make 150 USDT trading this TA coin right here. So follow me to the end of this very video so that you can actually understand how I made use of this strategy in order to make this 150 USDT profit. But before we dive into this clearly, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, do want to subscribe, like the video, share the videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Last 2 days, I dropped a video that shows coins you can purchase by this November and make a rational profit. So it was just roughly 2 days. And actually a lot of them are honestly turning up. Yesterday we cashed out from this TA coin, and this is the video I dropped 2 days ago. So in less than 48 hours, we made 150 USDT without delay. So let's quickly look at that. So here actually is the chart of this particular coin as at today. And where did we purchase this coin yesterday? We purchased the day before yesterday. We purchased this coin at the rate of 0.404159. Look at this. Okay, this is where actually we purchased this coin. We purchased this coin with a volume of 150 USD. Okay, USDT. So when we purchase this particular coin at the same rate of this 0.04159, we're giving over 3,658.5 of this particular TA coin. You can see this. Okay, now let's look at it. Take this particular volume that was given to me and quickly navigate yourself to where exactly it was yesterday before we cash out. Where you see those S is where it was. That is, it went as high as 0.1200 USD. So putting this now to the volume of what we purchased the coin with is okay. Let's look at this. Now I'm going to put at 0.1200. Right, okay, now let's input the quantity that we bought. Oh my god, you can see actually it was very huge and also reasonable. But why I said I made 150 from this was because I couldn't wait until it got to this particular volume. All right, I bought with 150 and look at what it's down to without a waste of time. Now you can look at this carefully and also look at the chart again. If this is going to be profitable for you again, all you just need to do is to dive in and also make sure you do something good for yourself. Okay, so when you dive into this now, always watch carefully, follow up the coin, do not be greedy. Whenever you see profit, take it up and wait for another opportunity. So let's check now, is this coin also still good for us to invest on? We're going to go into navigate ourselves to this review. Let's go back to the coin. So coming back to the coin, look at the chart. We're going to navigate ourselves to this particular place. Let's look at the total market cap as of today and see what feature this coin hold for us. Now here we are. You can see this coin is having a total circulating supply of over 180 million, a market cap of over 7.743 million, and also total supply of 1 billion. So I think this particular coin is still reasonable for you to invest on, but you must watch carefully. And you must also remember that this is not a financial advice. You are bound to make your own research, personal research, before investing any dime on it. And one of the most advice again, you must not invest more than what you can afford to lose. All right. So I'll get to detail to see the chart, the data. So the current data shows that the numbers of the investor are greater than the number of the sellers. So you can see the buyers here and also the sellers here. The sellers is over 224 and the buyer is over 27. I think this market is still very reasonable for you to invest on and also stand to make a rational profit. This brings me to the end of this very video. If you do have any question, you can go ahead to drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So see you in my next class. Bye.